The first day I'm trying the DIBS Baked Blush Duos, these little blush toppers. I'm already insanely obsessed with the packaging. We're gonna swatch. It is stunning. A little bit on my cheek, but I'm really gonna go in. Kind of just swirled both. This is such a pretty color for summer. Add a little bit more of this shade right on top. That is stunning. So this is what that looks like. I need every shade. And apply on this side. If I don't have any eyeshadow, I love to just carry that leftover blush right above my lid. It just ties everything all together. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight right here. Not believe it took me this long to try these. I have another shade that I'll try on another day for you guys. It is VIP Pink. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to try this one day, but for this look, I love Starstruck. Here's the final blush. Love that gold peeking through. Oh my God, it's stunning. I feel like this is definitely gonna be a staple for the summer. I have an evergreen DIBS code that you can check out. It's in my bio. It'll always get you 15% off. Okay, that's it. Bye.